This dance is called tipping point. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot with a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point the right out to the side. As you bring your right back beside the left, you're going to make a quarter turn to the right. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. That is your Monterey quarter turn. Add on a jazz box. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Monterey turn off on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close. Step the right to the side, hold. On the and count, you're going to bring the left beside the right. Step the right to the side again, touch that left beside the right. You're now going to vine to the left, but we're actually going to put half a turn on the end of this one. So you're going to step the left to the side, cross that right behind the left. You're now going to effectively make half a turn to the left as you step kind of to the side on that left foot. This is going to be particularly difficult to do, so you might actually find that you're starting that half a turn and then you finish the half with the following step. So it's a half a turn and then you're going to scuff the right forward. So you can see theoretically you're not really making a full half of a turn, you're starting to make that half a turn and you finish that turn off with that scuff step. That section once more then, side hold and side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side hold and side touch, side, behind, turn, scuff. Add those two sections together. Monterey turn off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close. Side, hold and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff. You're now going to chasse to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the right to the side, left beside right and right to the side. Rock back on that left and recover your weight on the right. Chasse to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps again, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side, then rock back on the right and recover. That set of steps once more then. Chasse to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, right chasse, back rock, left chasse, back rock. Add all those sections together. Monterey turn off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close. Side, hold and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock. Walk 3 steps forward, right, left, right. Kick the left forward, just a small low kick. Then walk back 3 steps, left, right, left. Step the right beside the left on the and count, step the left in place. So it's a quick little change of weight on your feet. End of the dance when you get to that point, so let's put it all together. Monterey turn off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close. Side, hold and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff. Right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, 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 close, close. That's your dance. The only and counts there are in there are in those chasse steps. In that second section where you're doing your side hold and side touch, and then obviously in that last little set of steps, back, 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 close, close. There it is, the 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Monterey turn off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, back, back and close, point, turn, point, close, cross, back, side, close, side, hold and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, back, back and close, Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, side and side, touch, side, behind, turn, scuff, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, 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 kick, back, back, back and close. So hopefully you managed that. Especially as I changed the words for the Monterey turn, so it just said Monterey turn, and I left out the word hold on that last wall. So that is it. That is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to better music. Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, side, tap, side, behind, turn, step, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, walk, kick, back, back, close, Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, side, tap, side, behind, turn, step, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, kick, back, and close, Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, side, step, side, behind, turn, step, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, walk, kick, back, and close, Monterey, turn, cross, back, side, close, side, tap, side, behind, turn, step, right chasse, back, rock, left chasse, back, rock, kick, back, and close, Monterey, side, chasse, walk, Monterey, side, chasse, walk, Monterey, side, chasse, walk, Monterey, side, chasse, walk, Hope you managed that one.